Hello students, let us continue lesson number 13 and the topic is tsunami. The tsunami is a catastrophic wave caused by an earthquake or volcanic eruption at the bottom of the sea or ocean or by a large scale landslide in the ocean. However, the tsunami is caused by earthquake at the bottom of the ocean. In short, seismic ocean waves are known as tsunami. When these waves come to the shore, extending in the curved shape from their place of origin, it becomes more destructive. As its speed decreases along the shore, it assumes higher altitude. The shoreline becomes a wall of water and moves ahead, resulting in scary destruction. However, now with the help of modern satellite based equipments, an accurate estimate of the tsunami can be made so that people from the affected area can be shifted timely and casualties can be prevented. At the same time, it is a fact that all the countries do not have such technology or equipments. Now, like to know. The catastrophic tsunami took place on 26th of December 2004, claimed the lives of about 2 lakhs people from Indonesia, Thailand, India, Sri Lanka, etc. on the coastal territories of the Indian Ocean. Now, precaution to be taken during tsunami. Before tsunami, move away from the seashore. Act according to the instructions given on radio, television, or social media. If the wave of the sea rise abnormally, strange sound are heard. These are pre-warning sign, so immediately move away from the shore. Keep valuable items, food, drinking water, medicine, torch, etc. ready. During tsunami, what to do? Don't leave high lying place. Don't try to watch the tsunami. Strictly follow the instructions given by the department. Even high rise buildings on the shore are not safe, sheltered, so avoid going there. After tsunami, what to do? Act according to the correct detail that comes on radio, television, or social media. Move to vacate area after getting instructions from the department. Sometimes higher waves may come afterward. If you are not sure about the safety of your house, don't enter. Report about the breakdown of water, gas, or electricity connection to the department. Know this. Children, you can see this type of sign is for the area which are prone to tsunami. So on page number 77, you can see the sign. Next topic is flood. Due to continuous rain or large waterlogged area is known as flood. Generally, we associate this event with the river. Man-made constructions that are made by neglecting natural slope, obstruction of natural drainage is also responsible for floods. In large cities, due to heavy rain, sometimes the water logging like situation takes the form of flood. Now student, you can see on page number 77, Gujarat map, flood prone areas. So please go through this map. Now, precaution to be taken during flood. Before flood, be aware of flood prone area at the local level. Keep information of high area and migrate there during the flood. Act according to the warning given by the flood department. During flood, turn off the connections of gas and electricity of the house. When your vehicle gets stuck in the flood, immediately move out of it and form a group of 7 to 8 people, hold one another's hand and try to move out of the flow. Relieve animal from hook. If they are released, they can save themselves. After flood, don't eat food that is made from flood water. Use boiled water. Don't go out without knowing that the roads are open. Be aware of infestations of snakes and scorpions. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.